Hey guys, Pier Joe in Pattaya. Have a look at this. I'm on the pier at NAKLUA. It's where you come fishing if the tide's right. See the Sanctuary of Truth temple over there, all the condos. Today's Sunday, 12th of September. Let's go take a look down along the pier here. You can actually drive your car up to here. Not the motorbike, the car won't get through this bit. Look at all the condos over there. That's Humid Towers, North Pattaya. A bit cloudy again today. Still forecast more rain coming. Up. All the Thais come fishing up here. Get their catch for the day. About 28 degrees, still humid as always. Plenty of spare tyres there for the boats. I think when the tide goes out, this is quite shallow here. Oh, you got one. Yeah, look at that. They're all open now, the tourist attractions, but there's no tourists. COVID cases are still going down. They're still making up their mind about the rules, so I don't want to say too much because they keep changing. At the moment, we're staying the same as we are until the end of this month. Was looking like 1st of October, relax, the bars open, but they're still not sure about a quarantine. We just have to wait and see what happens. I wouldn't book any flights yet unless you're staying here for a long time and want to do the 14-day quarantine, which you can do in Pattaya. You don't have to go to Phuket. Nice little beach over there in front of those condos. There's a little seafood restaurant just up here, I'll show you in a sec. You're fairly fresh. Water's looking a bit murky. You can see how deep it is. There's a guy just standing over there with his net. We're going to catch a few prawns. Sure, you have to pay 40 baht to come along this pier, but not today. There's no one here. Here are the old Thai fishing boats. They go out at night with the green lights, get the squid. They're fixing the nets over there. Tough job fixing the net. It's only about 10 minutes from Dolphin Roundabout Pattaya, this area. See the boat, big boats, a ship right there. Go have a look in a sec up here. Look at this little restaurant. Rockfella by the water. Got all fresh fish in there. Shell tanke seafood, not much in the tanks at the moment. That'd be a nice little spot. Come for a seafood lunch. You either go here or the fish markets is only 5 minutes away. The time now is about 2 p.m. Look at the condos up here. Oh, there's the ship, right, and they're fixing up the boats there. A couple of big ones in there. You can smell the fiberglass. Woo! Look at that condo. A little house there. Is that like a lookout tower? No names on these places, so I don't know. See up here in a sec, there's a lot of condos. A couple of restaurants if they're open. We still have the curfew at night, bars are still closed. Restaurants can eat in. See, I think that goes down to the Sanctuary of Truth temple. condos. Look, they must be closed. See, they covered the sign up, so you don't even know what it is. Must have been a hotel. Soi 8 off NAKLUA Soi 12. Good little wine bar. That goes up to Sanctuary of Truth up there. I think I've been up there before. I'll just give you a quick look down here so you can see the area. A lot of 7-Elevens have shut up shop now with lack of people. Hopefully they'll all come back. Massage shops along Soibel Cow are all open, but not many customers, of course. All these little sois, sometimes you get lost around here. This is the main road just down here that goes up to Dolphin Roundabout. Soi 12, if you came from Dolphin Roundabout, which is up that way, and turn up Soi 12, that's how you get to that area. The pier, we go fishing. And this, it goes into NAKLUA down here. There's not much action down here. Just your usual little shops, restaurants. Yeah, so let's hope they change a few of the rules so you can all come back, no quarantine. In a couple of months, let's hope it's all happening, especially before Christmas. We want the bars open and people back here. There's the sign, NAKLUA Market. That's the fish market up here. Always a bit of a queue of traffic here. People come down where you get the prawns cheap, 400 baht a kilo. Got more construction here, always building something. And here we are, the markets, which I've shown you before in another video. Anyway guys, take care. I'm gonna get a kilo of prawns for lunch. Just thought I'd show you that. Yeah, it looks busy today. Busy markets. Look at that, the hookers are on. Busy times. Alright guys, this is P. Joe, Uru, and over and out.